Christie Williamson. Venture. Slippin' safe harbour like a Bloody Mary down the trot o' a afternoon aff. Truth would wade for the mouths o' babes if they hadna scuppered their skiffs, puttin' thrift afore raising their ain to find the mirk clearing o' the lift. According to the charts, we'll hae nae clear water till we're sorted the brooks of this matter of time and space, slalomin' like salmon that sookit the cold steel o' straight on and tout better o' it. So long as the hand bides on the tiller, the tail micht wag the dog yet. Better to brack up o' the reef as fester and crack i' the grave, or risking nothing and gaining that Sam.